Good morning everyone. In this video we are going to understand an enumerate functions available in Python, and in order to use an enumerate functions we need a iterator. So here we are going to use a list which we will pass as a parameter in the enumerate function. So first of all we will create a list. Here we have created a list which is having a 4 element. Now we will iterate this list using a simple for loop. Here you can see I have just iterated a list and going to print the bank name. So here we get the output of a list. Now we will just use an enumerate functions and let's see the output. Enumerate. So here we are going to use enumerate functions and the argument is the list. So we'll just go and see the output. So here you can see a tuple of 4 items. Now this you can see 0 which is actually an index for the ICICI element and 1 is the index for the HDFC element. But how you will capture this one? You can directly use as 0 which will be the index and name as 1. Now you can see the output. Here you can see you directly get the index 0 and element as an ICICI. So there is another way that you can get the index without having this complications. Now we will use another way so that we can get the index easily. So I will comment this one. For name in enumerate bank name and start, that is an argument that we have to pass, and we have to give the starting index, and here we have to give the index. Okay, now we will just print it. Okay, we got an error because we are having a wrong argument. Now we'll print it again. Now you can see here you get the index into different variable and you get the item into a different variable. Okay, this is the better way so that you can use index and item into a different variable. Hope you like this video, and if you like it, kindly subscribe and hit on the like button. Thank you very much.